Hello everyone. So let's see how to search the UGC care listed journals so that we can publish from these journals only. There are so many predatory journals identified by UGC care. That initiative is started by Unipune, University of Pune itself. So for this, getting the access to the UGC care listed journals, you have to create your login. Um, just click on login and you can click here uh, on the register here. Since I have already registered on this site, I'm just logging in. After logging in, I will get access to the UGC care listed journals. So before directly searching, let me introduce you with the two groups of UGC care listed journals. There is group 1, and another list is called group 2. Group 1 is journals found qualified through UGC care protocols, and another group is uh, indexed in globally recognized databases, that is Scopus and Web of Science. So the journals indexed by Scopus and Web of Science are directly taken in group 2, whereas the journals not indexed in these databases and are not predatory and are of quality are listed in UGC care list of group 1. So for this, for searching your journal in group 1, you just have to click on group 1 and just click on search and enter your journal. Here you have search. You can search by title, ISSN, publisher, subject, language of publication here. Another way, if you want to search journals in a particular subject, then you can choose subject. If you have a title with you, you can choose title and enter the title. For example, I have searched college and undergraduate libraries. This is the journal. This journal is not indexed in UGC care list of group 1. Let's see whether it is indexed in the UGC care list of group 2. So this is group 1. Let's search in group 2. There are 4 links in UGC care list group 2. One is Web of Science. Under Web of Science there are 3 links: Arts and Humanities, Science Citation Index, Social Sciences Citation Index. And there is one more link of Scopus database. You can, for example, let's search in Scopus database. See, here is the search tab given. You have to choose for which field you are going to search. I am going to search a title, and the title is College and University Libraries. College and undergraduate libraries. So this is the title. Let us see. Yes, it is indexed in this Scopus database. It is Taylor and Francis published journal. Let's see whether it is the same journal is indexed by Web of Science also. Since it is Arts and Humanities, I have clicked on Arts and Humanities of Web of Science, and I am clicking on both the databases because the search window or discovery tool would be different in both the databases, college and undergraduate libraries. Sir, this journal is also indexed by Web of Science. So it is clear that it is in the group 2 of UGC care listed journals. So we can publish in these kinds of journals by searching through the UGC care list 1, group 1 and group 2. Another thing you will come to know is that list of journals removed from group 2 indexed in Scopus database. This is strange, but some of the journals are removed though they are indexed by Scopus database. So let's see which are they. Here you will get list of journals indexed by Scopus but removed by UGC care. About 71 entries are there, 71 journals are there. You can search college and see initial words I have searched, but this is not removed from the Scopus database. Removed, this journal is not removed though it was indexed by the Scopus. So this is how we can search in group 1 and group 2. We can search in both the groups and then make sure that this particular journal is there in the UGC care listed journals or not. Thank you very much.